Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Diar Akbar. I'm from Chende Cafe, and today I will presenting to you all about my recent IT project. And for the background about in this presentation, I will discuss my IT learning project, namely in UI design in English, and present to you all of you what is my IT learning progress is like. And for the objective, as this presentate is it will be as my requirement for the certificate of complement or SKL in the Bahasa for short, which is the third stage of English lesson, and also my evaluation that my IT learning has reached where it's so that I don't miss the IT learning track. And for the material is UI. What is UI? As you guys know, UI or user interface is the point of interactions between humans and machines in the context of computers, software or hardware. UI allows user to interact with system efficient and effectively. In a business context, UI plays a crucial role in creating a satisfying user experience or UX, which is in turn can provide various benefit for the company. Without a competent UI, a company websites or application will struggle to compete in the modern era. For the theory, for today presentation is the user interface or UI. In the theory, what in for UI is the graphical visual display of an application, a feature used by users like me to connect or interact to other people with the software. Furthermore, the UI used to make it easier for users like me or the others to access the information display on the application screen. Next, and for today presentation, I will be right now I'm doing the application revision, and also right now I'm currently redesigning, or in other words, we revising the UI of the MSSJS and EDN application. I believe the existing UI is less modern and desperately need a new version. Okay, so I'm currently redesigning the application, and here are some before and after images. I'll show you guys. And as you can see, this is the old UI from the MSSJS and EDN. As you can see, for my vision, it's kind of old and not that modern. Like, it's kind of old, it's not that modern for me at least. And this is my version of the redesign. I think it's more fun, more modern, and more what's it called, it more more what's it called, like more modern, I guess, or way more easy to use. For the old one, for me, just look confusing and just looks really plain. For this, way more better design for me at least, with the background and stuff. I mean, I like the background for the old one, but I think this is way more nicer for the application that I'm redesign, because right now, like this, we got the name, the ID, and also when we open the app, we already see the balance informations instead of the old one that only has the name. Yes, an Islamic digital network, only the name, which is kind of boring for me. And see, I mean, I like this button, but just too, it's kind of like, oh, it's like too old. The circle. I like this one, way more simple and modern. And also for the icons, I mean, I like the icons. They are very 3D model, like 3D and C, but I like this one way more better, way more simple. And I think, and next page, and for the, and also this is some of the difference in my opinions. For the before UI, the design is still in classic and simple, and the second, and the second is using a using a blue round icon with illustration inside. And but for the third one, is using a blue white geometric pattern background, and the last one using the display trends to be dense and lacks visual uh, hierarchy. And for the after that, I just redesigned the apps. For the design is much more modern and minimalist. For the second, the main colors are light gray and blue with soft shadows for deep effect. The third one is UI elements are more structured and neat with a focus on the main content. And the last one is using the card layout for information. And I think that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.